Are you the type of investor who enjoys both sports and entertainment? Because we have a residential lot property which is literally adjacent to this country club. I'm Amor Almogera and I'm Mr. Own That Property, and welcome to Morning Fields here in Carmel Town. Hi everyone, so for this YouTube video, we will be featuring a residential lot property na literal nakatabi lang niya or katapat niya ay mismong country club. And itong real estate residential lot property na to, kung investor ka man, perfect to sa'yo in a sense na kung mahilig ka sa sports and entertainment like basketball, you enjoy basketball, badminton, volleyball, and for entertainment such as KTV, this one is perfect for you. Papunta tayo sa Morning Fields ngayon. So, nag-start tayo sa may Nuvali area. So, dun sa mismong junction. And doon makikita natin si Ayala Mall, Soledad, and si Vista Mall Santa Rosa, and also si Paseo. So, doon yung location niya. So, yung dadaanan natin is itong Nuvali Boulevard. So, sa Nuvali Boulevard, ano ba yung makikita natin? Makikita natin dito yung East Block where doon yung mag-start yung mga commercial areas ng Nuvali. And then, papasok dun sa mismong residential areas ng Nuvali. So, sa loob naman ng Nuvali is makikita naman natin si Central Block where doon mo rin makikita yung mga bagong commercial lots and commercial establishments sa mga susunod na taon. What I like about Morning Fields is that kahit na nasa loob na tayo ng Nuvali or kahit na yung address mismo ng Morning Fields ay Canlubang, Laguna na, you get to enjoy the perks of living in Nuvali dahil magkakatabi lang yung mga developers na nandito. So, si Santa Lucia, katabi niya lang din sila Alveo and so on and so forth. So, kahit na Canlubang na siya, may enjoy mo pa rin yung perks and the lifestyle here sa Nuvali. So, ngayon nakapasok na tayo dito sa Morning Fields, no? So, ngayon magkakaroon muna tayo ng road trip dito sa loob ng property para maramdaman or makita ng mga clients natin how does it feel like living in this type of community. So, dito sa Morning Fields, meron tayong lot properties from 120 to 200 square meters and meron din tayong mga up to 400 square meters. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito is exclusive yung subdivision, yung security nitong property na to is mahigpit din and hindi ka rin talaga makakapasok. And aside from that, what I like the most about this property is that punong-puno pa rin tayo ng puno, so mahangin dito sa area. And in terms naman dun sa architectural design, so since Santa Lucia ito, no, so you have the freedom to design dun yung mga bahay na gusto mong ipatayo. So wala tayong restrictions in terms of architecture. So kung mapapansin natin, iba-iba yung design, but still kahit na ganon, hindi siya mukhang chop suey. Kumbaga nandun pa rin yung standard and quality and aesthetics mismo nung mga bahay na nakatayo dito. So may mga different types of designs ng mga bahay dito. And kung mapapansin nyo rin, no, not every lot ay meron ng bahay. So syempre, only limited number of houses were sold during the introductory or nung in-introduce ito mismong property na to, no. So syempre, para din may mabuo na rin na community or may tumira na rin dito sa area na to. So dito, mamaya i-feature natin yung top 5 na lot only properties na nakita ko na best fit para sa mga kliyente natin. Residing man dito sa Pilipinas or mapa OFWs man. So this is also perfect for retirement or personal use din. So for our first lot here in Morning Fields, this one is Block 14 Lot 5. This is 161 square meters. So from here, pupunta ako dito. Yan, para mas ma-visualize nyo. And this one is an inner lot. So So this is an inner lot, so para mas ma-appreciate nyo, ito yung 360 view ng lote na to. For our second lot, so this one is on the same block lang din, no? Block 14, lot 8 naman to. And this one is 150 square meters. So from dito sa kinatatayuan ko, nakarin ko siya. Yan. Hanggang somewhere dito. Yan. So this one is 150 square meters. So para mas ma-visualize nyo rin, no, and makita nyo yung paligid niya, here's the 360 view. Gano'n nga ba kalaki yung 150 square meters, no? So yung nasa likod ko is a 150 square meters na house. So ganito siya kalaki, and syempre you can allot a carport, and yung sa gilid niya is pwede ka pang mag-allot ng garden, and this one is a 2-story house. For our third lot, so nasa same block pa rin tayo, no? This one naman is block 14, lot 29, also 150 square meters. So mula dito sa kinatatayuan ko, yan, hanggang dito siya. Somewhere here. So this one is 150 square meters. And to show you the 360 view, so pakita natin. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina na open to any form of architectural design. So ano nga ba yung another design for 150 square meters na bahay? So ito yon. Next, for this lot, this one is block 15, lot 20, and this one has 256 square meters. So kung mapapansin nyo, so starting dito sa dulo ng bahay na to, all the way up to here. And this one is hindi siya yung regular na square na lot, no? So pahaba siya. So for comparison na lang, no, yung dulo nitong bahay na katabi niya, so konting usog lang na ganon, nandun na yung 256 square meters na lote. For the 360 view of this 256 square meters, so mapapansin mo na yung tapat niya ay wala pang naka-occupy, and open area na yung kasunod niya. Para mas ma-visualize nyo yung 256 square meter, no, yung mismong katabi ng lote na to is almost the same size lang din. So pakita natin para mas ma-appreciate nyo. Dito sa last na lot na i-feature natin, so ito ay corner lot. This is block 9, lot 58 with 416 square meters. So corner lot siya, malapad. So mula dito sa kinatatayuan ko, pupunta ako dun sa kabila. So hanggang dito siya, all the way hanggang dun sa likod. And this one is corner lot, tapos yung likod nito is open space na. And this is the 360 view of 416 square meters na lote na to. So Amor, magkano nga ba yung pinag-uusapan natin dito sa Morning Fields? So to give you an insight, yung inner lots natin ay 27,500 per square meters, and yung corner lot naman natin ay 28,000 per square meters. Dun sa na-feature natin na 150 square meters, so that is around 4.1 million. And yung na-feature natin na 161 square meters naman ay 4.4 million naman. And dun sa 256, that is around 7 million. And yung 416 square meters na corner lot ito, so 28,000 per square meter siya, that is around 11 million naman. So for the payment terms naman, no, so hahatiin natin siya sa 4 na options. So dun muna tayo sa inner lot. Dun sa inner lot natin, again, 27,500 per square meters. So meron tayong dalawang payment options. So for the reservation naman, ang reservation natin dito is only 25,000 pesos. So for the 20% down payment, meron tayong dalawang options. So yung 20% down payment na payable for 7 days. So kapag babayaran natin siya ng 7 days, meron tayong 20% additional discount doon sa down payment. And doon naman sa option na 20% na hahatiin natin sa 12 months, pwede rin naman pero wala na itong discount. So for the 80% na balanse dun sa inner lot, so payable naman siya up to 5 and 10 years through in-house financing. So for the corner lot naman, no, meron tayong dalawang payment terms. So isang cash and deferred payment. So for the cash payment, kung babayaran natin siya within 7 days, meron tayong 10% discount. And kung babayaran naman natin siya within 30 days, meron tayong 8% discount sa TCP. And kung babayaran naman natin siya within 60 days, meron tayong 6% discount from the total contract price. Another payment term sa ating corner lot, no, payable siya for 36 months. Yung 100% na yon, walang interest and then wala rin itong discount. If we choose a deferred payment dito sa corner lot na to, no, we can pay it for 36 months and that is 0 interest, but there is no discount. So ito na yung highlight ng property tour natin sa Morning Fields. Again, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, adjacent lang ito sa isang country club. So ito na yon, si The Mills. Dito sa The Mills, 80% of the facilities are free of charge doon sa mga members. So meron lang tayong membership na 50,000 pesos, lifetime membership na siya, and meron lang tayong annual dues na around 1,500. And after that, you get to enjoy unlimited access dun sa mga sports and entertainment facilities. So kapag member ka na rin dito, no, pwede kang magdala up to 20 guests for a discounted price. So ano nga ba meron dito sa The Mills? Tara, samahan niyo ako. If you want to know more about Morning Fields here in Carmel Town, you may reach me sa aking mga social media accounts. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, and here in YouTube at Mr. Own That Property. And if you like this video, you can click that like button, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click that notification bell for more real estate tips and updates. Once again, I'm Amor Almoguera and I'm Mr. Own That Property. So for more real estate tips and property listings, you can send me a message and let me help you own that property.